look at some AutoCAD tools used for the labeling and auditing of rooms provided to you by Simple Solutions and Wyndham Document Systems. First, we'll take a look at the FM Labeler, which is a tool that we can use to create room labels. Here we first will set up the format of the text, such as the height and the font and the target layer, and then we're going to provide some characteristics of the starting number, including a prefix and how we would increment those numbers automatically. So now once we have that set up and we initiate our starting command, we will automatically get incremental text placed in the center point of our cursor placements. So here we are going through the various rooms and identifying where the text is to be placed using center justification and the height as we had specified it. So now let's take a closer look, and we can see that the rooms are numbered and labeled appropriately. Okay, now let's take another look at the FM labeling tool. This time we'll work with the suffix adjustment, and we can define a trailing string of text that can be applied to the rooms, or a suffix, and we're going to automate the incrementing of these room numbers. We also have the option of skipping I's and O's because of the legibility issues of ones and zeros. So again, we just start selecting our rooms that we want to place the labels within, and it will automate the incrementing of the suffix, and it will retain the value of the text prefix. So here we can see the rooms have been incremented, but only with the letter that trails the insertions. Now, an additional command we have is the auditing tool, FM Audit, and this tool is used to validate the integrity of your document. First thing we'll notice is that there are tooltips provided with the application. We'll show you how you can turn that off at a later point. But what we've done is we're looking for rooms that do not have any labels in them. So now I can get my audit report, and by clicking on the rooms it will automatically zoom and highlight the objects for me on the screen. So it's a simple way of selecting what kind of tests we want to implement, and then we can very easily navigate and preview the portions of the documents. In this case, we're looking for rooms that do not have any appropriate label associated with them. Now let's take a look at another capability of the auditing tool, and let's look for text that may have been misplaced in the document. So we're going to look for text labels that do not have any associated space or polyline surrounding it. So again, we issue the audit, and it will bring up some text that is isolated in the document, so you can very quickly and easily validate the integrity of your document and maybe move it or delete it if it needs to be inserted into somewhere else.